done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, then I'll give you half a crown. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Yes sir, that I'll do. Get it done by 2:30. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my boot, so it's snug from heel to root. Make it tight and make it neat, so I can run on dancing feet. Cobbler, cobbler, tap, 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 fix the sole and fix the strap. Little hammer, big and small, cobbler mends them one and all. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Round and round the thread goes through. In and out and in again. Mend it now, my kind old friend. Cobbler, cobbler, sew with care. Fix the shoe I love to wear. Red one, blue one, big or small. Cobbler fixes shoes for all. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Now it's fixed as good as new. Thank you, cobbler dear. I can run and skip and cheer. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Sneakers, sandals, slippers too. Every shoe that comes your way gets fixed and mended, come what may. Cobbler, cobbler,